The International Bar Association's Human Rights Institute, or IBAHRI, has urged the UN Human Rights Council to establish an independent and international inquiry into alleged war crimes and past violations of human rights law in Sri Lanka, as called for by the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Navi Pillay.
IBAHRI co-chair Baroness Helena Kennedy QC said in a statement published on the Institute's website that, quote, since the end of the conflict between the government of Sri Lanka and the LTTE, there has been a systematic dismantling of checks and balances on executive power, unquote. She adds that the IBAHRI has noted on multiple occasions the inability of the Sri Lankan legal system to provide redress for alleged human rights violations. She adds, quote, the IBAHRI fully supports the recommendations put forward in the report of the Office of the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights and strongly urges the UN Human Rights Council to adopt these recommendations in the forthcoming resolution on Sri Lanka, unquote. International Bar Association Executive Director Mark Ellis commented that in order for there to be sustainable peace in Sri Lanka, it is essential to hold proper investigations and prosecutions into the alleged war crimes and human rights violations of the past committed by both sides, as well as to establish an independent and effective justice system that properly protects against and provides reparation for any future violations.